This is a real estate project, what we call the rat house. You're about to see why. Code enforcement has been involved. There was over 800 to 900 rats that have overtaken not only this house, but have spread through the neighborhood. They felt like they needed to tent the property because they couldn't capture all of these rats. The first step is getting all the dead rats out.
We're gonna take this down to the studs, remove the flooring and everything. This wall right here is gonna be removed, and we're gonna do an open concept. You can see the rats were just squirreling away stuff in here. There's even a check, a freaking check. Again, complete gut, just all new everything. So we'll make it look great.
Hey guys, Laura Spalding here. This is a channel about real estate, personal finance, and business. I'm gonna show you how to get riches in the niches. This is a real estate project, what we call the rat house. You're about to see why. This house came to us from the resident's sister who lives out of state. Code enforcement has been involved. There was over 800 to 900 rats that have overtaken not only this house, but have spread through the neighborhood. The neighbors were fed up, contacted the city, who then eventually got involved, and they felt like they needed to tent the property because they couldn't capture all of these rats. You're about to see some really nasty stuff. So beware, you'll see some maggots and some dead rodents and our cleanup attempts to make this house beautiful again. Now, the house started out being in completely unlivable state. The rats had dug holes through the home, eaten every bit of furniture, and just destroyed every part of this home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with about 1,300 square feet in an actually really nice neighborhood. So as you can imagine, the neighbors were not pleased with how the current resident was living. So I purchased this property for $92,000. I am expecting $57,000 in renovations. We're changing the layout a little bit by removing a wall between the hallway and the entryway and the kitchen to make it a bigger open concept. I'm anticipating this project to take 5 to 6 weeks to completion. The first step is getting all the dead rats out so that we can actually assess all of the damage and what this house might need. Let's check it out.
We're gonna take this down to the studs, remove the flooring and everything. This wall right here is gonna be removed, and we're gonna do an open concept. I'll show you the kitchen. So the kitchen is gonna remain here on this wall, but then we're gonna do an island out here. So this wall will all be gone here, and then it'll really open it up. We'll do something really cool on this main living room wall to make it kind of an accent, to make it look really, really nice. We plan on changing these windows out, but there might be an issue with a delay on it because, as you can see, they're special circular type windows and they're special order. So that's something that we can't just go and get. So we're removing the electrical, the drywall. We're gonna inspect the plumbing, but as you can see here, the rats did a major job. And the plumbing's broken. You can see a dead rat right there, its tail, and all the nests that they buried. That's a good sized rat too, Jesus. We got a small bedroom here. Looks like we're gonna have some stucco repair. You can see the rats were just squirreling away stuff in here. There's even a check, a freaking check that they took and squirreled away in there. And then there's tunnels in the holes. So it's a whole gut, man. This is bad. And then obviously you don't want to breathe in this rat because, you know, you can get the hantavirus. Anyway, we're gonna turn this in from hole to glorious in 4 weeks.
Hole to glory hole?
Hole to glory hole in 4 weeks! We will make this someone's glory hole in 4 weeks. Second bathroom of the house. It's in the hallway here between the 2 bedrooms. Pest control had to break out the window, so we got a lot of glass and stuff in here. This will be completely gutted as well. We'll remove the tub and all the drywall, and this 1970s light is bringing back memories. There's razor blades here, and this sink looks like it hasn't been cleaned since 1970. So then we go to this bedroom over here, and you can see, you know, just a little bit of rats eating that here. There's some holes behind here. And then we'll change out these windows. But like, this is just falling apart. It's just falling off here. So again, complete gut, no change in template of the bedroom, just all new everything. So we'll make it look great. Hey guys, we're here at the Rat House today. We are 8 days into this project, and I can't wait to show you the massive amount of progress that we've made in just 8 short days. Follow me. So, as you can see, we've got brand new windows everywhere, sliding glass door, all new electric because the rats literally ate everything. We even had to run all new plumbing because the rats screwed up the plumbing too by stuffing all their nests and stuff in it. So we've already ran all the ductwork and gotten ready for the brand new AC, and we're only 8 days into this. So they're putting in the final window there on the spare bathroom, but I am just super impressed with the progress here and how this is going on this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. We've got about 3 weeks left on this project, but you guys have seen the beginning and you're seeing the middle now, and I can't wait to show you the very, very end of it on our big reveal. But this house will be ready in about 3 weeks and up for sale. Thanks for joining us. Hey guys, Lori here with an update from the Rat House. So we're probably gonna be 8 weeks into this project, but the smell is gone, 100% gone. Now, the only thing that's still retaining odor, because we haven't made it there yet, is the garage. So when we were leaving the Rat House today, I was approached by 2 neighbors. Hey guys, I am super excited to show you the final reveal of the Rat House. Only a 6-week renovation. So come on in and let me show you everything in this house.